In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sell an ebook on Squarespace. Starting off with a digital creation like an ebook and turning it into something profitable requires a platform that's both accessible and efficient. Squarespace, known for its sleek designs and user-friendly interface, happens to be a fantastic choice for digital entrepreneurs out there. If you've been looking for a way to put your ebook out there, stick around because we're diving into the step-by-step process of how to make this happen on Squarespace. Firstly, let's navigate to the Squarespace website. It's here where the journey of selling your ebook begins. You'll be greeted with an elegant homepage asking you to log in. Click on the login button to proceed. For existing users, Squarespace offers a straightforward login process, including the option to continue with Google. This feature is particularly handy for those who want a quick and straightforward access using their Google account credentials. Simply click on Continue with Google and choose the account you'd like to use for Squarespace. Once logged in, you'll see a dashboard showcasing any websites you've previously created with Squarespace. Click on the relevant website where you intend to sell your ebook. This directs you into the back end of your selected website, a place where all the magic of customization happens. Now it's time to focus on adding your ebook. Look for the Products and Services section. You might find it directly on your dashboard or accessible through a side or drop-down menu. This area is pivotal because it's where you'll introduce new items to your virtual storefront. Upon finding and clicking on Products and Services, you're directed to a more specific section that categorizes the types of products you can sell. Among these, you'll find an option labeled Products. Click here to proceed. Squarespace is versatile, allowing the sale of both physical and downloadable products. Since we're focusing on an ebook, you'll need to navigate to the Download section. This is the domain specifically designed for digital products like yours. Eager to see your ebook listed? Go ahead and hit ADD Product. This button is your next step towards monetization. As you make your selection, you're one step closer to sharing your digital product with the world. In the product creation page, you might notice various fields to fill out. One important button here is Download. This isn't just a button, it's where you'll upload the actual file of your ebook to be purchased and downloaded by your customers. Now give your product a name. Make it catchy, relevant, and reflective of the content. This is the first thing potential buyers will see, so you want it to be appealing and direct. Following the naming, there's a crucial step: uploading your file. This is the heart of the process. Squarespace allows you to browse your computer for the file you intend to sell, navigate through your files, and select your ebook. Ensure it's in a format that's widely accessible like PDF or EPUB to ensure no customer is left out due to compatibility issues. Setting a price for your ebook is the next step. This requires thoughtful consideration. You'd want a price that reflects the value and effort put into creating your ebook, yet remains attractive and competitive in the market. Once you've decided on a price, type it into the designated field. All set? Before you make your ebook live, take a moment to review everything. Check your product name, ensure your file has uploaded correctly, and verify the price. After reviewing, it's time for the final steps: saving and then publishing your product. By clicking Save, you solidify the details, and Publish makes your ebook visible and available for purchase on your website. Congratulations! You've just walked through the entire process of listing and selling an ebook on Squarespace. With these steps, your digital creation is now out in the world, ready to be discovered and enjoyed by readers across the globe. Don't forget, the beauty of Squarespace allows you to further customize how your product is presented. Take advantage of this by sprucing up your product page with images, detailed descriptions, and maybe even some customer reviews once you gather them. Selling an ebook online might have seemed daunting at first, but, as we've seen today, platforms like Squarespace make this journey accessible and achievable. Whether you're a seasoned author or just starting out, this platform can help turn your creative endeavors into profit. Remember, the key is to start. What you've learned today can be the beginning of a thriving digital marketplace under your command. That's it for today's guide. I hope you found these instructions clear and helpful. Now go out there and start selling. Happy digital entrepreneurship.